Do you want to know how to edit this TikTok cake topper standee using your Android phone? Easy. You only need Picsart application to do this. Let's go. Click sticker. Search phone. Click this. Add sticker and search white square. Adjust it like this. Click Add Photo and add the picture of the celebrant. Click Blend and swipe it to multiply. Now save it. You are going to click the text now and type the name of the celebrant. You need to change the font color into black and add 100% white stroke. Then click this check on the upper side. Click this and find the glitch effect. Click it again and change the color effect by tapping this, and you also adjust the horizontal and vertical effect if you want. After that, you need to save it. This time add text and type the age of the celebrant. Then repeat the process that you do in the celebrant name. Then add the picture, name, and age of the celebrant that you edited earlier by clicking Add Photo. Adjust it like this. Add sticker and search TikTok. Click this. Save it and add it again. Click border and change the color into pink and adjust it. Add shadow and adjust the blur into 1% and capacity into 100%, then change the color into bright blue. Adjust the position of the shadow. Click this check on the upper side. Then add another borders and change the color into mint green. We're done.